One of the problems with covered calls is the negative asymmetry that's embedded in these structures. What that means is your upside is capped, as we all know, but your downside is linear. So a lot of times your losses are much bigger than your gains. And there's a couple ways that you can start to combat this and level the playing field. One is consider selling call spreads instead of just selling calls for your covered call program. So when you do that, when you buy back a higher strike, so you turn that sold call into a spread, you now participate in that upside beyond that strike. And so now you change your payoff profile from a regular covered call that looks like this to something that now looks like this. Another idea for you is to do a ratio. So in other words, if you own, let's say, 500 shares of the underlying stock, maybe you only sell 4 calls instead of 5. And so now you change your payoff profile to look like this, and now you can participate in that upside. And what that does is it starts to level the playing field and gets rid of some of that negative asymmetry built into a covered call structure. Okay, leave me a question, give me a follow, or check out the link in my bio.